With that, I'll turn it over to Lindsay.
Thank you very much, Ed. We're going to cover a variety of topics today, and we're going to cover them in an order that hopefully will make a lot of sense to all of us. The first is going to be the 3 basic ways to cut energy costs. There's a lot of different ways to do it. We're going to look at some of the 3 basic ways. We're then going to move into how to understand our energy charges, what we're paying for. We're going to look at some quick ways to cut costs, just an overview. Then we're going to provide you with some resources, various shopping lists of options, some URLs, web addresses to go to for places where we have these things discussed more thoroughly than we can do in 45 minutes. We're then going to get into some of the process of how indeed we can go through the efforts to create energy-efficient facilities. And then we're going to close with different efforts involved in managing these projects, some tips, some what's to do, what's to avoid, things like that. During most of this discussion, though, we're going to aim at cutting cost, not just usage. After all, if energy was free, none of you would be here right now. The main thing here is to cut the cost. If we also cut the usage and save the world too, that's some gravy. Okay, let's look now at those beginning 3 ways to cut energy cost. The first you always want to keep in mind is the obvious. Reduce any non-essential usage. This may be equipment inefficiencies, poor control, something running when it's not needed, something all lit when it's not needed, or something running at full output when lower output would suffice.